Hi there, Lindsay here. So while I sip my tea from my advent calendar from the day before, we'll open the next 2 days of all the calendars. So let's start with our tea. So the next tea in my orange honey stick right here is almond bark. It's a black coffee with almond bark flavor. That's gonna be interesting. I don't think I've had anything like that. Toasted coconut and almond flavors. Oh, that sounds interesting. And I have a bear, a chocolate bear, and then the next tea is cinnamon sticks. It's a full-bodied and robust with a sweet cinnamon finish. Black tea with cinnamon. And I got a snowman here as the chocolate. So this calendar is the one that my kid cannot wait for the next 4 days. Since we are opening 2 days at a time and there are 24, we had to finish them till those 6 videos we'll have. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a Kinder Mini. Another little egg. There's another Kinder Mini. So one more, 8. Oh, it looks big. My kid is waiting for a Kinder Hippo. I hope it is. Oh, it is! Happy Hippo. That's her favorite. That's what she's waiting for. Yay, she finally got it. She predicted those long ones will have hippos. So let's keep going and see what's coming next time. But for now, we got those 4. And now, drum roll, getting the new yarn for the new stitches. Alright, so there they are. And I'm picking randomly 1 and 1 more. Yay, let's see. Oh my gosh, white and green. Oh, that's wild. So, oh my gosh, that will be fun. And there it is. Oh, got the label inside. All right, so let's skip to the crochet part with the new stitches. The next stitch we have is staggered popcorn stitches. So make sure you end up your previous stitch on the pattern with the single and the double crochets, and after that we have a whole row of double crochets all across the whole blanket. So don't forget that when we work popcorn stitches, we work them on the back and we pop them out so they show in the front. So this is a 4-row repeat. The popcorns here are in between each other. And there's a row of double crochets in between each row of popcorns. And let's get started. When we start with a new color, before you finish your stitch, you grab your new color and pull through your loops with the new color. And then you continue with the new one. And you're going to weave in those ends as you go as well. So over here, I'll tie them together. And I will grab my white color and I'll lightly weave it through the stitches here. So it stays trapped under the new stitches and you just don't have to weave it at the end. And then the green one will do the same thing with the next row so it doesn't show through the white part. The staggered popcorn stitches are a multiple of 4 plus 1. So over here I chained 19 chains, and starting from the 4th chain from the hook, we'll start doing double crochets all around. So we'll have 16 double crochets, and with that chain at the beginning, it does count as a double crochet, so we'll have 17 altogether to build that little pattern on this little swatch. And I'll keep going till the end of the row. The first row of the repeat is a row of double crochets. So now that we're going to go to the next row, you can turn and then chain one and single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into the second stitch, and now here we'll have 5 double crochets together for that popcorn stitch. So yarn over, draw for one time through the loops, and make sure this loop is waiting on your hook for the rest of the double crochets. You just start them, but do not finish those. So here's number 3, 4, yarn over, 5. We have 5 double crochets here with the loop from the first stitch. We have 6 loops on our hook. So now yarn over and pull through all of them, and we'll have 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. So 1 here, 1 into the next one, and 1 into the next one. And here is our first popcorn. And again here we'll have 5 double crochets together. 1, and now we crochet them together, and we do 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And I'll keep making my popcorns till the end of the row. I reach my last popcorn. Here into that second to the last stitch, I'll do a single crochet, and on the top of this chain, I'll do a single crochet there because this is our last stitch. And then we are ready for our third row of the repeat, which is a row of double crochets only. So we turn and we chain 3 for our first double crochet, and we keep doing double crochets into each stitch, going back to our 17 double crochets as we did at that first row here, and I'll meet you at the end. Aren't these popcorns so cute? Oh, popcorns are my favorite playtime. I mean, crochet with yarn. Look how cute are those. All right, the third row of the repeat. We start again with a row of popcorn, which means we'll chain 1, we'll turn, and we'll have 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. So your first 4 stitches will be single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that puts us between those first 2 popcorn to have our next popcorn there. We'll do the popcorn the same way. And then we'll have 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches again, and we'll keep repeating that with a popcorn and 3 single crochets. And there, that puts the popcorn in the middle of the previous 2 popcorns. Once you reach 4 stitches before the end, this will be your last popcorn here, and then you'll have 4 stitches here till the end of the row, 4 single crochets. Don't forget, the last single crochet will be on top of the chain from the previous row. And here we are ready again with the next row, which will be a row of double crochets, and we're going to keep repeating those 4 rows the length we want to go. So we are back here at the beginning. So with the white color, I did repeat and a half, and then with my green color, I'm going to have to start from the second half of the repeat, from those second row of popcorns, so I can get 1 repeat here. Then I'll continue with the green for 3 rows of popcorn, technically, till I got those 3 greens, so they're symmetrical to each other. And that 1 white row turned out to be about 5.5 centimeters, or about 2.5, less than 2.5 inches. All right, I'll keep having fun with my popcorns, and make sure you watch the previous if you haven't watched this pattern. Make sure you watch this one, or check out my other blanket tutorials for different stitches and ideas. Subscribe.